Guatemalan jungle in the heart of the Mayan world, there is a marvelous and wonderful place that's called Petén. This place is one of the most beautiful departments of the incredible country of Guatemala. But not all is beautiful. Pollution would endanger some of the most important species. People is causing this danger. Here we present you as a documentary that 4 brave explorers did.
This beautiful place has a lot of different species, and it also has levels of organization. The beautiful place has a lot of different species, and it also has levels of organization. On the first stage, organism, we have the peacock. On the second level, we have a population, and it is a group of peacocks. On the third stage, we have a biological community, that are a group of peacocks, a group of deer, a group of pumas, and a group of jaguars. On the fourth level, ecosystem, we have group of peacocks, a group of deer, group of pumas, group of jaguars, and also abiotic factors like sunlight, rocks, soil, rain, altitude, and temperature. On the fifth stage, we have a biome that is the same as the ecosystem, but with biotic factors like grass, cedar, and oak trees. On the last level, biosphere, are a lot of different biomes like water biome, rainforest biome, and others. The main biotic factors are grass, cedar, oak trees, mold, ceiba, copal, chico zapote. The main abiotic factors are sunlight, rocks, soil, rain, altitude, temperature, winds, and water. The main limiting factors are biotic. The main limiting factors are grass, deer, pumas, cedar, and oak tree as biotic, water, wind, rainfall, temperature, and sunlight as abiotic. The deer is not too much helped by pollution because they eat leaves, and sometimes they can eat garbage, what makes them die. This is not healthy for the site because predators have less food, so they die, and animals are less. Pumas are not helped by rainfall because it scares prey, and if it rains in a lot of days, predators can't eat, so they die.
Area of primary succession because it hadn't reached the maximum mature of the environment.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
In all animal communities, there are behaviors in which they collaborate or compete for resources like territory, food, or leadership.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
Some of the main competitive behaviors in Petén are when the jaguars compete for territory,
So take a deep
or
breath
when the
and let
monkeys
go.
have dominant hierarchy, in which they have a leader and the other ones obey.
And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right
Some of the main
over
cooperative
into cold,
behaviors
cold
are when the
water
monkeys
for
take
you.
each other's life, or when the ants help each other carry their food to their ants. One foraging behavior of a population are when the jaguars start with prey. Normally they hunt at night because they see really good in dark. They hunt raccoons, rabbits, mice, and birds. The jaguars are not the ones skills to survive. They choose to stay where they are. Swimming, finding water,
sometimes, you know.
hide for other jaguars, and climb trees. And this will be an emerging behavior. Look at there! There is the monarch butterfly.
Till I'm old,
The monarch butterfly should be really
shouldn't
important
be
of the
fighting
long
on your
thing done. Imagine that they have
if you
migrated
feel
from North
you're
America.
sinking, I
Since
will
late
jump
August,
right
millions of
over
adult
into
monarch
cold,
butterflies
cold
of the
water
population
for
of
you.
North America started
And
migrating
all the
from
time
Africa,
may take us
Mexico,
into
and Peru.
different places, I will still be.
Stand up like a soldier, baby. Yeah, I know you built like that. Gunning like a holster, baby. Should have said you're wicked like that. Winning when the war is raging, chasing our crazy dreams.
behavior provides protection from predators or the environment. It's easier to find a mate, and large groups can find food together and share it. In the peacock population, the male peacocks have it easier to find a female to reproduce with, and can also protect each other from predators. Individual behavior, such as territorial behaviors, let the animal protect its own territory and individuals that form part of its pack. The competitive behaviors let the strongest and or smartest individual survive, letting these genes pass down to the offspring. A really good example is the jaguar, a territorial carnivore and cunning, strong, and fast. The environmental conditions can increase the number of individuals in a species. There are a number of mechanisms that animals use to counteract or mitigate negative effects of stress responses, such as seasonal modulation of responses, acclimatization, and reduction in HPA activity. An example will be that when the food increases, the more number of individuals are to be born, like in a predator population like the puma. ¿Usted está consciente de cómo se ambienta en Guatemala, especialmente personas?
Sí, estoy consciente de ello. Necesitan como más información. Petén ha sido considerado como uno de los pulmones a nivel latinoamericano. Lamentablemente ahorita por la tala de árboles y todo eso se está deteriorando ese pulmón y por obvias razones está afectando el clima de nuestros días.
Muchas gracias.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Aviles. Good morning, Mr. Aviles. What do you think we can do about the endangered species in Guatemala?
We can have I think there can be an organization, perhaps some government funding, to have a sanctuary park for some of these animals to help allow them to repopulate and to get their species out of being endangered. That's a day.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Aviles. Good morning. What do you think we can do to prevent deforestation?
In Petén?
Yeah.
Okay, something that we could do, well, not us, but the people that lives there that are trying to do this, I think that they could first know about the rules and laws that they exist already. So I think that government should follow the rules and make sure that everybody follows it.
Thank you.
Okay. Where are you of the damages that are done in the Guatemalan environment?
How am I doing what?
How aware are you of the damages that are done in the Guatemalan environment?
How aware am I of damages?
Yeah.
What damages?
Like deforestation, the hunting of animals.
Well, man, I don't know much about that. I know some political stuff that I don't want to talk about. But I don't know about damages to the environment. Oh, I know about Puerto. They, at the beach, they moved all the sand, and then that made a problem with the tide being really bad, and so now it's dangerous to swim there. Does that count?
Thank you so much.
That's all.
How aware are you of the damages done to the ecosystem in Guatemala?
I know that they have been cutting trees, but I don't know if that is so damaging to the environment.
Thank you.
Do you think that the growth and development of the cities in Petén are affecting the environment?
Yes.
Why?
Industrialization and the building of cities and buildings, houses, malls and stuff makes people want to cut trees to have more space, and that kills the environment.
This is only the tip of the iceberg of this beautiful place, but these incredible animals will become extinct if we do not do something to stop the pollution that is finishing with this part of the environment. This is something that we have to have on our mind. We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and we expect that you go and see this beautiful place with your own eyes.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Now I found another crush, a lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. Now I found another crush, a lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Now I found another crush, a lush